Look at that, guys. My fire alarm strobes are flashing like crazy. There's my classic ceiling mount. That is P24115. This strobe is brighter than that one over there. That one over there is a 75 Candela strobe. And this one right here is a 115 Candela strobe. This one has a quieter tick. Let's see if I can get a better view from the room. The strobes are almost in sync. Is that very cool, Thomas? This is a good light show. How do you like it, Thomas? Which one's brighter? This one's brighter. Hey, Thomas, say do you have something to say? Look at the camera.
No.
You don't have anything to say? That's a very good light show. That's extremely bright. Well, I have the wire to strobe only. I also have wired that one to strobe only as well. See, there's my classic Spectre alert, my P2475. I don't have the horn connected, I just have a 9-volt battery underneath it. And this one I'm powering it with two 9-volt batteries. This one is powered with 18 volts and that one's powered with 9 volts. If you do listen closely, you can hear that high-pitched squeal because this is a high Candela strobe. Candela is very high, it's 115. It's very bright. So what do you think of the light show, guys? New England Elevators, this is dedicated for you. Okay. So let's turn off the lights again one more time just for the fun. Let's see if we can see it from outside, from the window. It's kind of like having a fire drill, huh? Basically, when the strobes are flashing, that one is brighter, Thomas. Well, basically, by the strobes flashing, guys, basically the horn would be sounding right now. Buzz, 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 buzz. All the strobes are going to flash. This one is kind of bright, sort of. This one is 75 Candela. That one over here, there is 115 Candela. So, what do you think, guys? Hope you guys liked it. My ceiling mount fire alarm and my wall mount my classic Spectre alert. Well, there's not. See if we can go into the bathroom. Here's the mirror right there. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this little light show. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye.